Hello guys. Today I will show you how to fix the glitching screen problem. First, go to search for check for updates in the bottom left, click on it, and you will be directed to the Windows update screen. Select check for updates at the top. Download any available updates, and restart your computer after completion. Now go to search command prompt as an administrator. Copy and paste the following, then press enter. .sm.exe, online, cleanup image, restore health. Once the progress bar reaches 100%, it will state the restore operation completed successfully, and below that, it will state the operation completed successfully. Once you see that, you're going to want to copy and paste the next command, sfc, scano. Press enter, and it will begin scanning your system for any corrupt files and repair them. Once it reaches 100%, it will either say Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations or Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. After completing that, restart your computer, and your issue with the black squares should be fixed. Thank you for watching my video. Hope I helped you. For more videos like this, subscribe my channel and like the video.